Hey everybody, did you know that the tax return that you are so focused on lowering the tax bill for could actually affect your ability to qualify for a mortgage or possibly a business loan? I see it all the time. Business owners who really want to maximize legitimate business deductions. And that is absolutely okay. All right. I don't want to discourage that at all. But you should be thinking about every deduction that you're wanting to take and that you're entitled to, but how it's going to affect your overall situation. All right. And this is what I think that people don't really think about. When you apply for mortgage financing, right, or you apply for financing for your business, maybe there's an additional piece of equipment that you want to buy or whatever, right? One of the first things that they're going to look at is your tax return. They're going to use that to help determine what your income is, what the level is, etc. They may even ask you for tax returns for not only the prior year, but several prior years. Okay. So if you've worked really hard to lower that taxable income over the last couple of years, that also means that you're showing less income. And when it's time to qualify for financing, it may or may not affect it. All right. So this is why tax planning, if you're buying a home, if you are planning to expand your business with some type of financing, is so important. If you're going to be doing that over the next, say, 6 to 12 months, you don't want to wait until like the tax season only to talk to your tax preparer about that, your CPA, your accountant, etc. So what does that conversation look like, right? You want to be having definitely that conversation with your tax professional before year end. I'm going to repeat, before year end, okay? So let them know what your goals are. Let them know what you're planning so they can help balance out the tax savings with whatever your future goals are going to be. That is what good tax planning is all about. I just want to reiterate that so people can understand how one thing affects the other thing down the line. Yes, so I'm Hope Brown, the tax money bookkeeper. I help business owners make solid, informed financial decisions in both their personal life and also their business life so that they can win. All right, this is Hope signing off, and I will see you guys on the inside.